This is the noise my truck was making when I was driving. It felt like something wanted to break. I thought it was the water pump at times, and other times I thought the transmission was going to break. It also had a harsh rattle like the muffler was hitting something. It turned out to be the drive shaft center support. Here you can see it was getting damaged. I was still able to drive my truck like this for 3 hours. You have to inspect your truck or car thoroughly to find the problem. It was a bit hard to find the noise because I had to drive it. It sometimes made the noise, then sometimes it wouldn't. The part number is 1703-428-327. I will leave a link in the description for this part. I tried getting this part at the Ford dealership, but it turns out the Ford dealership does not make these parts anymore. There was no other choice but to get an aftermarket support.
To remove the drive shaft support, you need to remove 4 bolts here. The end of the drive shaft can be removed by pulling it out. This part should slide out with no problem. 2 bolts hold the drive shaft support. This was part of the drive shaft support cover that broke off. If you like this video so far, give it a like. To remove and install the drive shaft support, you need a 1 to 5/16 socket to remove this nut here. You can hammer this part off like this. A mechanic friend was here and was able to help me with this. My friend polished a little bit the surface where the drive shaft support will sit. This is how the old drive shaft support bearing looked. Here my friend is polishing the surface a little bit. My friend added a little bit of assembly grease to the bearing, just enough so the bearing could go in smoothly. The drive shaft support bearing went in smoothly with no problem. This is how my friend installed the drive shaft support. It is easier if you have someone to hold the drive shaft. My friend tapped this part in with a hammer first. Then he put the nut in and used an impact gun to tighten it. It came out really good. This is how it came out once it was installed. Do not forget to subscribe for more fascinating insights.